What a great pleasure it is to be here today. Today's eve to witness book launching ceremony of Ambe Parvatskar debut book, and that is on sports personalities of Goa amidst the sporting legends of Goa. A kind request to Honorable Shri Jayesh Sargaonkar ji to release this book. Now let's hear it from author himself, Shri Ambe Parvatkar, what he's feeling about it right now. Shri Ambe Parvatkar.
Not little nervous, a lot of nervousness. I speak in English. That's comfortable for me. This book has been in, as you say, the word called pipeline. It's been in a pipeline for a long time. And Jyoti ma'am has really banged my head for last 3 years because this was actually done in somewhere in 2014 and it is getting launched in 2018. Starting back this last 48 hours, the things have been very lucky for me. All the pending things in my life had come to a level where they got completed. I would love to tell you all those 3-4 things that happened. I got my sister-in-law registered just 2 days back when I just landed. And the pending thing for a long time. My father and his brother are sitting together. He's come specially from Bombay for him. They have not been together for so many years. Another pending thing completed in this 48 hours. And this book has finally got launched. Still my boss is on the way. Actually, Jyoti ma'am had told me, you speak a lot today. Because Margao people are not coming, Vasco people are not coming, all from the airport, they are not reaching here. Because it's held up in Agasaim, I guess. And they have all cleared, the Margao has reached, and I think my boss will also enter sometime while I talk. All the time, as I see the people from every corner of my life, from my childhood till what I am today, and every zone of my life, from Margao, from Panjim, wherever, they are here. So I'm more comfortable. I have Shreya, who was my, one childhood when we was playing as kids in Mumbai. I don't even know that she was Shreya. When she came to my school, I knew she was Shreya. There are many people. I have Dr. Sadesh Lotlikar. I have Sarita Pindo sitting there. I have my buddies here, a lot of them, Uma, Aarti. And of course, I'm addressing them because I'm going to talk a lot about the dignities, little bit here, but I need to address the crowd who are here, who have been related to me directly. Not just they are here to attend and be a part of this, but they belong to me. Coming to my start of the speech should be from here actually. My father. The official vote of thanks, my wife is waiting to give it, but my speech is always, I've been a good tone of appreciator. I always give a good appreciation. What I write, I always appreciate. What I talk, I would love to appreciate my every part from where I've come. First, it's my father. First is my mother actually. I got her dressed up. She's sick, she cannot move. But I made sure that she gets dressed up today to the best levels. And I made her sit. I told her, you are going to get dressed up and sit in the house till the function gets over. And she did that for me. It's the first thing. Second, it comes to my father. You know, my father is the guy who put what I am today, the toughness. Every bit of the tough part of me, every time he was teaching something to somebody, he had his sons, part of him. And the most difficult task of that, like a pyramid, he used to teach pyramid, Mallakham, this, that, everything. You would not, there are about 10 kids doing the show or performing, but you would never make all the other kids do that. the most difficult part. He would ask his sons to do that. The most difficult, because it was his son. He would fall, he would take it. So we had to bear most of the toughness. Me, my brother, we did all that. So we got tough. So all the toughness that has come to me is come from my father, Arun Parvatkar, very sincere. Like 18 years, what Brahmanand has done, he has done a lot for whatever he could do with the Kala Academy. Coming back, moving towards the family, and then I move on with the dignities. My wife, I was a toiler, always hardworking. Father told me, go, prayatna kar, yash milne na kabhi, yash milne na, prayatna karit raho. That I learned from my father, as I say. But to get that point of a success, it started once I got married. And Veena actually started the fights. Don't do this, don't do that. And I started getting those successful points. Everything got completed. I have really toiled, in fact. Been part of 4 first-class teams. And over the period of 16 years, I did not get a game to play. And my captain is sitting here who gave me a game, Swapnil Asnodkar. Way junior to me. At 36, I played my first game. After being in a squad of 4 different teams in 16 games, 14 games, sorry. And I got a game at last to Swapnil Asnodkar, who was almost 10 years younger to me, and I was 36. So making a comeback at 36 itself is a toiling which I did because I wanted to play that Ranji Trophy, and I played that. Coming to the dignities, I start, my boss comes when he enters, I'll talk about him. I start with Jayesh. As they say, protocol-wise, I have to hit the minister first. But as far as Jayesh is concerned, I think I was his captain when he was playing for, he's a cricketer, very good cricketer, very good off-spinner. And I still remember he used to bowl like Rajesh Chauhan. Yes, you had an accent something like Rajesh Chauhan, yes? Rajesh Chauhan, yes. And we won the higher secondary twice in Dempos. And one was Rajesh Naik was the captain, the second was me or Sopan, I don't remember who was the captain. And then it was Jayesh. So, very skinny guy. Today, actually, many people told me, he is not this minister. I said, okay, I know he's not that minister, but I know he's curation for doing things, very capable. So, maybe I concluded him as a panchayat minister, he's a rural minister, whatever this, that. Probably he could be the CM of Goa, you never know. So, when all this comes under him. So, as far as Jayesh is concerned, very hardworking person, very determined person, very good looking, and happening minister of Goa. Second, I would like to talk, of course, my best buddy, Jatin Paranspe, whose family is like my family. When Baba used to come and I was playing in Bombay, half of the time maybe I was spending with Vasu sir, and his mom was the principal of Ruia College at that time. Very educated family, and I would always want to come home and tell, whenever I used to come, just 2 months back, and I used to come, I want my house and my everything to be like Jatin's house. You know, I want you to be telling me, oh, go, Jatin used to drive at 16, and that helps you in cricket, you know, when you drive that early. And Jatin, when I reached Bombay, we did very well in under 19 for Goa, under 17 for Goa. I don't have any of those. I called them, but they did not have not yet come. Under 17, where the cricket started for us. Coming to Jatin, I'm just going off the track. The history for Goan cricket is that is the best. I'm a part of that team, I can say, that under 17, all champions, all India champions, where we beat teams like Rahul Dravids, Karnataka, Lakshman, Hyderabad. But we had few captains and good coaches who made that happen for us at that time. I don't remember the year, probably could be 1988 or something like that, somewhere there. So there the cricket started that we are winners and we are also somebody. So we started walking with our shoulders high and chest out. And I reached Bombay at the age of 18. And all I wanted to see is who is Jatin Paranspe, because we were playing only under 19. We were not bothered who was playing for India at that time. And I remember in Wankhede was a selection. So Bombay, what happens, the cricket doesn't start late. It starts very early. The under 19 trials were there. And I had done very well from Goa, and our coach, V.S. Patil, I had met him. He's no more, I mean, he's our creator basically. He asked me, what do you come for? I said, I am a champion of South Zone, so I have come here. And that time Sairaj Botole was not part of the team. He had some injuries and he had some accident. So he said, what are you going to do? So I said, I've come to play for India. So he said, I met only 4 people who have played for India. Sanjay Manjrekar, Ravi Shastri, and Dilip Venksankar, and I think so, I don't know, the Farooq engineer from Poddar. I joined Poddar. And he said, okay, you want to come? I had a percentage coming from Dempos. I had something like 62%, and Poddar admission only takes like something 85% for an average guy. He took me in, and within 10 days was the selection for under 19. And I am at the Wankhede Stadium. And all I want to know, who is Jatin Paraspray? Who is Jatin Paraspray? When is he going to enter the ground? And Jatin comes, and Jatin has no trials because he's India under 19 player at that time. It is his second year for him. And Jatin is standing with Mayur Kadrekar. I was telling you the instance when Jatin is standing with Mayur Kadrekar like this. And we are all toiling, and probably I got selected in that side. And then as they were standing there, I'll tell you how the Goans in cricket and Goans, the field, we have a big nose. And what happened? What happened? We like to poke nose. And Jatin and Mayur were standing there, and they were talking something. I just come from Goa into Bombay, and I just poked my nose and asked him. I don't even know him, but I wanted to get curious to go close to Jatin. So I asked him, what was it? What kya? Jatin just looked at me and he gave me a snobbish look. Jatin is a big snob at that time. Now he's got a smile. He gave me a snobbish look. From that time, I realized that I never poke my nose in anybody's business. Yeah. And Jatin happened to be my college mate, which he realized that I'm from the same college, because we don't go with the college things when you go for selections. And then he started seeing me next, and we became the best pals. I think I can say, you guys don't know, before Yuvraj Singh, if somebody could play a southpaw playing the Pakistanis, was Jatin Paraspray. Yeah? Before Yuvraj Singh. And of course, when Saurav was leading the side, and I know a lot of things. Who does what. So he had his favorite things, and Jatin got injured, so he got Yuvraj in, and they had won the World Cup at that time. Jatin has got a brilliant knocks against Pakistan in Toronto. Correct, Jets? Yeah. And that 50 has won. He has played about 4 one-days against Pakistan 3 and Kenya 1, I guess. I kept a track. Then I saw one Nilesh Kulkarni also cover. He's also playing for India. So we started feeling that. I was already in Dubai by then. It was something a long time, you know. I had reached Dubai. And I was knocking the doors of the UAE team. And then that is Jatin Paraspray. I'm seeing him play for India. He's doing extraordinary for Bombay, winning Ranji Trophy 5 times for Bombay. It's a big thing. We have, and not the least, a person whom I would say his father, Vasu Paraspray. Everybody knows, Sir Vasu Paraspray. I would call him one of the best fielders I've ever seen in the game of cricket. Eknath Sulkar played for India, but Vasu sir, his creativity of fielding, when we learned it at that level for Dadar Union or for Poddar College, his creativity, his things. The Australians, I could call him the Australian made in India, like, you know, or made in India Australian. That was the thing I was to think for Vasu sir. So I have to mention Vasu sir also. When Jatin comes, it is like Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, it is like Vasu Paraspray and Jatin Paraspray. So it goes that way. I have to mention Vasu sir. Coming to V.M. Prabhudesai sir. V.M. Prabhudesai sir told me, I know him from that particular era, from the 13 or whatever he started it. Yes, very well. And you were a part of us when under 15s at Margao, every time we were there. And you are one person who has stuck to that post for a long, long, long time. And hopefully Goa is stuck also there at that level, not gone down. It has climbed little bit, but not got down, yeah. V.M. Prabhudesai sir was the first when I got a comeback in Margao. Every time I reach Margao people I have. V.M. Prabhudesai came for a morning walk, I don't know, on the MCC stadium. And he came and shook hands. I still know. Arjun kya tha? Like he came and shook hands. You know, I was feeling like a little bit odd, but he said, good, your determination. At 36, he shook my hands again at Ranji Trophy in Margao. We were playing against, I was not playing. Swapnil did not make me play the full year. Only one game he gave me. That is more than enough. Talking about Dilip sir, I don't want to go into detailed the things how affiliated. Gino's, the cricket was formed, the cricket team was there long time. Miskin and all came later on. Mayur was leading the side for Gino's. I had some issues with top houses of Goa at that time, before going to, after coming from Bombay and coming in between. And Baba knows me, I was literally even threatened at one particular time. And Gino helped me. They said, you will play for us. Mayur Saukar was there. I invited him, he's also maybe on the way, I don't know. Mayur Saukar came out with the ball and ball step said, Ambe, you will play for me, no matter what happens. And Mayur was leading Gino's side. And we had I was the only guy who had played for state. Ravindra Barve, Shekhar Malvankar, small guys. When I talk to Jayesh, he knows that. So small boys, spinners who came, and we won 2 trophies that year, beating, I think Hemant sir was leading MCC. We lost in 1 semi-finals. I remember that. I had stitches in my hand. Hemant sir came and told me, Ambe, you are going to spoil your career. I remember that. So I have finished the dignities where I have reached only to last 2 people, where it's Jyoti ma'am. Affiliation with Gino stays. When I came back again to 2012, when Dilip sir said, come and play for Gino. You don't know that, but I will tell you. I keep a good record of it. Because you're doing, so you're giving, so you don't remember. Who's taking will always remember that. Coming to Jyoti ma'am, dynamic personality of Goa. As a woman, I say the energy level she has. Sometimes I ask her, and the way she moves to get things done. Perfectionist. She has helped me in many times in my crisis, and I have no relations, but of course, as she said, she has got me into a grip where she can get things done for me. Yes, you can. You have those capabilities where you can turn the east to west. You are that kind of a woman, very, very strong woman. Very nice that you are doing this for me. I'm not thanking, she will thank, but I can only say that much. Sampada. Sampada, when I was releasing, how I'm going to release this book? Ambe, better you also this and that. I said, my book will be released by you, only you. So Sampada is a very young, passionate, she likes sports personality. Irfan Pathan is her favorite cricketer. I think Shadab did help her many times on that, to get him. Sampada likes to write on brain. She's always observing who is doing what. No? She's very keen learner. Writes good. She has her own ways of writing. And I think she has launched many books. That is Sampada, I can say. I don't want to talk too much of people who are younger, because they have a lot to go. If I talk right now, then they might not just go ahead. So it's okay for us. You'll see Sampada, many things happening more. Who made me G1 get started, I'm going, there's a lot of time, I can keep thanking everybody. Everybody is happy when I thank them, Not a problem. Vasham sir, the channel, and he said, as he said, is he going to do it? Yes, I could do it. Because these people, when I met Brahmanand sir first time, said, Ambe, I'm very happy to meet you. I said, you're king of God. No, I want to meet you also. So when we studied this, it started like that. The first episode with Hemant sir and Brahmanand sir. Now I go to my star personalities in below. I have to go in order. Yeah. Denzel Franco, the most difficult person I had to catch up with. Even now, even today, he has to go at 8:30. He told me what time he's getting over. Tak. But very happening personality. Did get some injuries here and there. Happening footballer. Denzel could just get up and turn, man. Yeah, because it's very good. Everybody knows who's Denzel. Yeah, thank you, Denzel. Played for that whatever league, the Super League which is there. He was the first part of the Calcutta. Now he's come back to Goa. Nowadays Goa football is not much. They are more